Bakers are going to love this. Learn to make this quick, easy party cake that won't sink in the middle. In a stand mixer, start by adding 6 eggs. Next, add 140 grams of sugar. Let's beat this for 10 minutes, folks. Set your mixer to medium speed. With the mixer still on, add 150 grams of oil and 150 grams of milk. Now, let's set a timer for 3 minutes. After that time, turn off the mixer. Remove the bowl from the mixer. Set it aside for now. In a bowl, mix 210 g flour, 75 g 50% cocoa, and 10 g baking powder well. All set. Now, using a sieve, sift this mixture into our batter. With a whisk, gently fold it in to keep the batter airy. It'll look like this. Let's transfer it to a pan with a removable bottom. I'm using a bit of paper towel at the bottom. If you don't have a pan with a removable bottom, just line any pan with paper towel for easy removal. Then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. After that, let the cake cool down. Now it's time to unmold it. Look everyone, how incredible this cake turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. So fluffy, perfect for a birthday cake. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. With this recipe, you can't go wrong. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. See you next time. Thanks.